The Arctic wolf, also known as the white wolf, is a fascinating subspecies of the grey wolf that inhabits the Arctic tundra of Canada and Greenland. These majestic creatures have adapted to one of the harshest environments on the planet, displaying a range of unique characteristics and behaviors that make them truly captivating. In this comprehensive exploration, we will delve into various aspects of the Arctic wolf, including its physical characteristics, habitat, diet, social structure, hunting behavior, conservation status, and the challenges it faces in the modern world. Physical characteristics. The Arctic wolf is well adapted to its frigid environment, with a thick white fur coat that provides effective camouflage in the snow-covered landscape of the Arctic tundra. This distinctive coat helps the wolves blend into their surroundings, making them less visible to their prey and potential predators. They have a stocky build and a robust, well-insulated body, which helps them conserve body heat in the extreme cold. Their fur is not always white. During the summer months, it can be grey or brown, providing a different type of camouflage in the changing Arctic landscape. Habitat. The Arctic wolves inhabit the high Arctic tundra, which is characterized by vast, treeless plains, icy temperatures, and a short growing season. This harsh environment is home to a variety of wildlife, including musk oxen, Arctic hares, caribou, and lemmings, which are essential to the Arctic wolf's diet. The wolves' range extends from the northern tree line to the North Pole, where they have adapted to the extreme cold and limited food sources. The Arctic tundra provides the wolves with a vast and sparsely populated territory, allowing them to roam and hunt across large areas. Diet and hunting behavior. Arctic wolves are opportunistic hunters and primarily feed on the large herbivores that inhabit the tundra, such as musk oxen and caribou. They are also known to prey on smaller animals like Arctic hares and lemmings when larger prey is scarce. The wolves' hunting behavior is characterized by cooperation and coordination within the pack. They use their keen sense of hearing and smell to locate prey, and their remarkable stamina allows them to pursue their quarry over long distances in the open tundra. The pack works together to isolate and bring down their target, displaying impressive teamwork and communication during the hunt. Social structure and communication. Arctic wolves are highly social animals that live and hunt in packs, which can range in size from 2 to 20 individuals. The pack is led by an alpha male and an alpha female, who are the dominant breeding pair and the leaders of the group. The pack structure is based on a strict hierarchy, with each member having a specific rank and role within the group. The wolves communicate through a variety of vocalizations, body language, and scent marking. Howling is a key form of communication used to announce territory, locate pack members, and coordinate activities such as hunting and defense. Reproduction and pup. Arctic wolves typically breed once a year, with the alpha female giving birth to a litter of 2 to 3 pups in the spring. The entire pack participates in raising the pups, with the alpha female and other pack members providing food and protection for the young. The pups are born blind and deaf, and they rely on their mother and the rest of the pack for care and guidance. As they grow, the pups are taught essential hunting and survival skills, preparing them for life in the unforgiving Arctic environment. Conservation status and threat. The Arctic wolf is currently listed as least concern on the IUCN Red List, with a stable population estimated to be around 200,000 individuals. Unlike other species of wolf, the Arctic wolf is not significantly threatened by hunting or persecution by humans, as its remote habitat and extreme weather conditions provide a natural barrier to human encroachment. However, industrial development, including the expansion of mines, roads and pipelines, poses a significant threat to the wolves' habitat and food supply. The encroachment of human activities on their territory has led to a decline in potential breeding grounds and food sources, highlighting the need for conservation efforts to protect the Arctic wolf and its ecosystem. All conservation efforts, conservation organizations, such as the World Wildlife Fund, are actively working to protect the Arctic wolf and its habitat by addressing the threats posed by industrial development and advocating for the conservation of the Arctic ecosystem. These efforts include research, monitoring, and community engagement to raise awareness about the importance of preserving the Arctic wolf and its role in the ecosystem. By working with local communities and governments, these organizations aim to ensure the long-term survival of the Arctic wolf and the preservation of its unique place in the Arctic environment. In conclusion, the Arctic wolf is a remarkable and resilient species that has adapted to thrive in one of the most challenging environments on Earth. Its unique physical characteristics, social structure, hunting behavior, and the challenges it faces in the modern world make it a truly captivating subject of study and conservation. By understanding and appreciating the intricacies of the Arctic wolf's life, we can work towards ensuring the continued existence of these iconic creatures in the wild.